Zucchini season will be here before we know it, and right now I am enjoying every bit of it. I'm getting them from the store, but soon I will be getting them from my garden. And today I'm going to show you a perfect recipe how to use it. I'm going to make a zucchini, potato, and carrot pancake. Gabe loves these, which I was super surprised because I didn't think that he would even bother. But he absolutely devoured them. So, if he loves them, you know they got to be good. Let's get started.